you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the October little bee box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So the October 2025 little bee box has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So this box should be in the little boy rotation, who will be 3, I believe, next month. I believe he's going to be 3. I think both of them turn 3 next month, if I'm not mistaken. I know definitely the little girl turns 3 next month, but I think the little boy is right around her age as well. So this one should be for him. We did bump him up to a 3T, so let's see what we have. There must be a bigger item in, because in the mailer bag, there was this that was on top. So this is how it came this month. We'll get into this and see what's in here. I'm really excited. But let's go ahead and dive in and see inside of this box. Today literally is, I think, November 3rd. Today's Monday, whatever day falls. I think today's the 3rd or the 4th. The 3rd? I think it's the 3rd. So I want to unbox this. I want to show you, and then I'm going to print a label and I'm going to run to the post office and drop it off so it can go out today, because then I have to ship it to my friend, who then needs to receive the box, open the box, and take her photos, get to me so then I can put in the video and get to you guys. So this video is a little bit late this time, but again, I just received it and I'm going to ship it off and get it to you guys, get the video out to you guys as soon as I can. But I'm so excited to now see what's in here and then get it over to her. So here is the box when you first open it up. You have your little bee card right on top that says thank you for your purchase. If you do get this box, you can tag them on their social and you might be featured on their site. So there's that. Now you have your card for the month, and it says October box celebrating moments that matter. A little note just for mama, and then this month's mom challenge. So you have a little challenge for you to do, and then you have a message for you to read for the month. I love how they are doing their cards now. Super cute. And then of course their amazing bee tissue paper for their bee box. And once we remove that, there's a sneak peek to inside of the presentation. So let's go with the first item right on top, which this one looks like it is for the mom. So for this box, it is basically all geared for a little one. You tell them the age, you tell them the gender, they take all of that into consideration. They also take into consideration the time of year, the seasons, the milestones, and all of that. And then they custom make these boxes just for that specific child. So they're all different based on the year, gender, all of that thing. Now, in every single box, you do get one special item that is for the mom. So it's not all for the child or the baby. The mom gets one special gift in there, and I love that they do that. So then they have a little surprise for themselves. This month it is a brush, and it even has like a styling guide on how to style your hair. It is a flexi vented hairbrush, and it looks like it has like this like picking comb, so you can like comb through your hair on the ends, and then it has the wide bristles for the brush, and it is a really pretty purple color. So that is a special gift for the mom. There's never a value when it's on that. It's just a special gift for the mom. So there's number 1. So now let's go with the clothing item in here and see what we have. So this one is marked as a 4, and what the owner does is, obviously, like I said, we bumped him up to a 3T, but if the supplier lets them know that the clothing items run a smaller size or a larger size, then she will change that based on her experience for the clothing items. So this one is a 4, but it should be then more like a size 3. So here is the shirt, which I'm all for. I would love for it to be a little bigger than for them to grow into, than it being smaller and not being able to use, you know what I mean? So I love that she does that and takes that into consideration for the sizing for each item. And then here are the little shorts, and it has like a little orange and white on the side, which matches the top. How adorable. I think he's gonna love that, and he's gonna be super comfortable while he's wearing that outfit too, so that's awesome. All right, so now we have a few things in the box, and then we have what's in that bag. This here, it says Card Early Education Device. Fully develop your baby's imagination. It looks like it's a little like I don't even know what I'm trying to say in my head. So it has this right here, which looks like it would be like a little display or something. And then you have a charger in here. And then there is the learning and playing children's preschool cards. So I'm assuming you take these out and put one in each of, in that thing. It says talking flashcards. Oh, there's a lot of cards in here. Okay. So you have all of these. Oh, and they're double-sided too. So you have all of these cards basically times 2. And then you stick it inside of here.
Let's play now.
Ooh, okay, let's play now. It's already on, and I love that it's wireless. You just charge it, and again, there is the charger in there. So let's go ahead and just stick one of these in and see what happens.
Please insert again.
Oh.
Please insert again.
There's a volume button.
Mango.
Okay, so I had it in upside down. This whole time, this thing's just telling me, please insert again. And I'm like, how many times I gotta stick you in there? So I was doing it thinking this is like cat ears, this is upward, and you have an arrow up and an arrow down, and then it says arrow up right here. So I figured you just do that.
Please insert again.
Nope. Turn it around.
Mango.
Mango. Turn it this way.
Dragon fruit.
So I guess you hold it this way. It's not like a cat ear. You hold it this way then. So I was holding it upside down, but
Dragon fruit.
that's really cool because then he can grab any card and stick in, and it's going to tell him how to say it so he'll know how to pronounce it. And then the image will show him what it is. That is really cool. Let me turn this off though before I forget.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. How cute is that though? I'm so glad I opened that and figured it out, and I'm so glad that it's already charged so I could show you. But that is really, really neat. See what I'm talking about with the milestones? Him at his age, this is definitely going to help him out. Speaking, knowing what everything is. And there's so many things. It's not just fruits. There's like, one is animals, one is occupations, one is food, there's goods, vehicles, there's so many different family, colors, shapes. Yeah, so this is really, really good for that time of age and helping them learn. I'm so excited for him to play with this. Okay, so now there's 2 more. I was like, I don't even care about the other 2 items. This is the coolest little thing ever right here. Okay, so let's go with the next thing inside of here, which is a book, and I love books. This is Over the Ocean, and on the back of this one, it does have a US price of $12.95 for the book. And yeah, so you have this book to sit down. He can look at it himself or be read to. So that is awesome. Again, I love when there's books in there because learning, especially that age, little sponges. They need to soak up everything, you know? Now let's go ahead and go with the last item that is wrapped down inside of here. I just looked at my phone to see what time it is to know like how much time I have to go and do what I got to do. And it's 11:11. I always see 11:11. Okay, so in here we have Fisher-Price develops wooden balance tree for ages 3 and higher, and it's a 10-piece set. Another great thing for learning. It says steady stacking hands of fun. And that's what the back looks like. So you can stack all the little things on the tree. Look at how cute. So yeah, Play Lab develops trial and error and attention skills and dexterity is what it's for. But yeah, that is so cool. He can literally like just stick them all on the tree, decorate it however he would like, and it's a 10-piece set. So that was everything that came in the October box for a little boy. We have this for him to play with for learning. That's awesome. We have a book. That's awesome. This definitely is going to help learn and help them hear how to say it. we have the clothing item, and then we have the item for the mom. Oh my gosh, you guys, so that is everything for his box. What do you think? What would be your favorite item in here? I'm just really impressed on that little saying, little flashcard thing. That is just really neat. That got me for this box for sure. But what do you think? What would be your favorite item in there? Definitely let me know down below. If you want to check them out, I will have them all listed down below in the description box. You can go and pop on over there. If you like some information on the pricing, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will get you 30% off your very first box if you are interested. So if you want to do month per month, that's the gold term. That one is $51.95 per box. If you want to save some money, you can go to the silver term. That is the 6-month plan for $45.95 per box. If you want to save even more money, you can go to a full platinum 1-year prepaid plan, and that brings your box price down to only $43 per box. So that is amazing. They also do the one-time gift box if you are interested in that. That one there is $65, and you have free US shipping that's included in that one. You can ship it to the recipient, or you can ship it to yourself. You tell them the age, the gender, and the color tones that you would like, and they take all of the guesswork out of that, build that box, and ship it out. So $65, free shipping for that. I think that's absolutely amazing. So there you go, you guys. The owner also wrote a book if you wanted to check that out on Amazon. I have that listed in the description box as well. So there you go. That is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, I will have them linked with my code in the description box for you. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything to say and show for this video. Again, don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.